I'm here in the Botanic Gardens of the beautiful city of Wrocław, or Wrocław as it appears to be pronounced in English. Totally wrong. I apologise to anyone who's Polish and can actually pronounce the name of this city correctly. It's a lovely spot to be on a quite warm day. We're up in the high 20s here at the end of a beautiful Polish summer. The gardens are lush and green, and as you can see as we walk around, there's many really lovely features, some beautiful bedding plants, a very traditional botanic gardens, a big arboretum. There's some fantastic things like this petrified tree, which is like 300 million years old, just amazing. A beautiful lake setting in the middle with a fountain and lots of fish in the pond, and a Japanese garden which I'll be going past really shortly. It's quite a change. A lot of the other gardens I've seen while I've been travelling, just the small time I've spent in Poland, have been very focused on like the very contemporary wildflower garden, so meadows, lots of echinacea and other plants, coneflowers, things that aren't necessarily local but look like they belong in a Polish meadow, something like that. Just absolutely beautiful planting. So I just thought I'd bring you here as well. It's absolutely beautiful, very quiet and pleasant, and yeah, everyone's enjoying it. And I think the other thing I really love is that so many of the benches, including the one I'm sitting at, come with a table, so you can sort of sit down and actually enjoy a picnic, do some painting, read a book, do whatever. It's just so lovely and convenient. I hope you enjoy this little walk going around the Botanic Gardens here in Wrocław. This is the Alpinarium. I think everyone should have one, just so they can use that word a lot. Here you go. Serious about rockeries. We're only here another few days and then we're heading through to Prague. So I'm not sure what awaits me in Prague, whether there will be some gardens there I can look at, but you know me, wherever I am, I like peeking over the garden fence and seeing what's growing everywhere I go. Thanks for being here with me. Lovely to catch up with you again. And if you ever get a chance to visit here, I would definitely recommend, just a pleasant hour or so walking around the gardens. Bye for now.